biggest ever betrayal than this thing. If you look at, I've got the audio copy with me in this, you rightly said, very strong observation made by the principal session judge at that point of time in Shipra. He said that 68 times the prime accused, who was Zia Mustafa, a Pakistani terrorist who along with a group of terrorists came out to that place on 23rd of March 2003, and they were the one who had sprayed bullets, killing 24 people, which included 11 women, 11 men, and they did not even spare children. For 68 occasions, this man was not produced before the court, and every time the argument that was given by the police was that they don't have nafri. That means they don't have a manpower so that they can get these people, get this man towards the court. Now the question was asked by the judge, if the person who is in your custody, if you can't get that man to court saying that you don't have a nafri for that, you don't have a manpower for that, how come you will be getting those 17 prime witness, the main witness in this case, who had seen this thing happening, who have now fled to different parts of the country, and you don't have any idea? In such a situation, how come you expect justice? And the second thing was that in 2007, one petition was filed by then SP Pulwama. He wanted that case should be shifted to Jammu court, so that at least the witness can depose before the court without any fear. But all of a sudden, without any rhyme or reason, unconditionally that petition was withdrawn. That is also mentioned in this order. So judge said you are simply buying time, you are simply trying to save your face, and nothing else. And also what is more important is that these lines which I want to read, the prosecution as well as police has been highly negligent in not bringing the witness during the entire period. That means for 6 years. 6 years, 101 times the case was listed before the court, and not even once they were able to get witness. When I spoke to these prime witness also, I spoke to Mohan, but he said yes, once only after 2008 a policeman came. He said that you will have to come to the Pulwama court and the Shopian court for your deposing before the court for that statement. He said that, are you going to provide the security? They said no, we will only provide you security outside court and while you will be inside court. En route we are not responsible for that. In such a situation, the question that everybody is asking, if you can provide security to all those separatist leaders, 500 crore was spent on those separatist leaders, if you can provide security to enablers of genocide, why can't you provide the security to the people who had suffered a lot because of Pak-sponsored terrorism? That means there was an ecosystem that was supporting terror, there was an ecosystem that was providing oxygen.